Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over some sample exam questions for the Sales Cloud Consultant exam. So the Sales Cloud Consultant certification deals with accounts, contacts, opportunities, and everything that you do for sales. It's similar to the admin exam, and it's a lot of what solo admins do, or general admins, I guess is how I would put it. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's go to the first question. Universal Containers was bought by a larger company and needs to provide information on a monthly basis to the new parent company to help predict sales. What data should the new parent company review? Choose one answer. A. Dashboard of user login history. B. Count of new lead records created. C, number of activities tied to opportunities, or D, opportunity pipeline report grouped by month. Again, choose one answer. All right, the correct answer is D, opportunity pipeline report grouped by month. So this one, I guess, is pretty simple in my opinion. Key indicators in the question is that they need to help predict sales. So that is the most indicative of sales is the opportunity pipeline, and they need this on a monthly basis. So it's grouped by month. All right, let's go ahead and go on to number 2. When the billing address on an account is changed, the mailing address of all related contacts should be updated to reflect the new address. How can this requirement be met? A, create a workflow rule on accounts. B, create a workflow rule on contacts. C, create a process on accounts using Process Builder. Or D, create a force.com trigger on contacts. Again, choose one record or choose one answer. And the correct answer is C. And this kind of goes to how workflow rules work. D is a little bit complicated of an answer, so I wouldn't choose that one. Workflow rules are generally just on a single object, and process builders can work across objects that are related. Another one thing to consider is that oftentimes addresses are in multiple fields, and so that makes a workflow rule a little bit more complicated. So the answer is C. Let's go ahead and move on to number 3. Universal Containers has established a private sharing model for accounts and opportunities. Each sales manager has several sales representatives reporting to them, and the role hierarchy is configured. Which statement about data visibility is true? Choose one answer. Both sales managers and representatives can see all of the same data. The sales managers cannot see all of the representatives' data, but the representative cannot see all of the sales manager's data. The representative can see all of the sales manager's data, but the sales manager cannot see all of the representative's data. And D, only the sales representatives can see all of the data. Choose one answer. All right, so the correct answer here is B. All right, this kind of goes to how role hierarchies are generally and how they are set up and how data works within sharing. It's a private sharing model, so the data is not going to be openly available for everyone, and the sales representatives are not the only ones that can see all the data. Of course, they have sales managers that need to see their data. Sales managers have representatives reporting to them, so they are a little bit higher up in the hierarchy, and so they can see all of their representatives' data, but the representative cannot see all of the manager's data, only the data that belongs to them or anyone that's below them. And that's why B is the correct answer. Let's go ahead and move on to number 4. All right. Universal Containers is expanding sales internationally and has created new price books to handle the various currencies for the 5 new countries. When a sales representative selects one of the new price books to add a product to an opportunity, there are no products available. What should be evaluated when troubleshooting this issue? Choose one answer. Confirm that the product line items on the opportunities are enabled. B. Confirm that the products are shared with the sales representative's role. C. Confirm the old price book is disabled for the sales representatives. Or D. Confirm that the products and currencies are associated with the price book. Again, choose one answer. All right, and the correct answer is D. And the thing that's most indicative of this answer is that they're internationally sold, or sales are internationally, and so we're dealing with multiple currencies. So that's why we chose D. All right, number 5. Sales management at Universal Containers needs to provide channel partners with easy access to approved product documentation. Sales management also needs to notify partners about material revisions and updates. How can sales management achieve these goals in Salesforce? Choose one answer. A. Enable content and partner community to enable content email alerts for partner users. B. Enable the document tab in the partner community and enable email alerts for partner users. C. Add the content-related list to the partner contact page layout and enable content delivery. Or D. Add the content-related list to the partner account page layout and enable content delivery. All right, and the correct answer is A. So we are going to be needing to enable content within the partner community so then we can send them out email alerts to the partner users. All right, thank you for joining me for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me make more helpful videos like this. Be sure to drop down any questions that you have in the comments. And I will catch you guys in the next one.